At this time of year now, we've obviously had a very difficult 12 months. It's been extremely variable, and that's really being reflected in the quality of the silages and hays that we're seeing. And then on top of that, we've got the added complication that some people have got enough forage, they're lucky, but a lot of people possibly haven't. So I think the first thing for everybody to do this time is to really get out there, get your analyses done, then you can work out how many kilos of dry matter you've got, and then you can sit down and look at it relative to your body condition score, your scanning results, and plan it out. Because if you need to bridge a gap, now's the time to be thinking about it, not 4 weeks from lambing when the ewes are losing condition and your silage is running out. So the group that we've got today, there are 6 members to that we've been working on diets and body condition score for several years now. So I've already got their silage analyses in, their silage and hay. So some of the conversation today will be, I know what I would feed with those, I need to be pushing them now as to how much have they got, have we got enough, where are the gaps, and how can we actually try and work our way around that. It may be we have to look at some options outside for singles if the weather conditions stay with us. It may be some people might need to think about reducing new numbers a little bit, I don't know. But the main thing is that we actually ask the questions and we make a decision. So Aled, the farm where we are today, he did a TMR feeding system for the first time last year. He's been moving that way for a year or two, and last year he took the plunge and got the machine so he could actually do a TMR. Fed the ewes a lot less concentrate than he would historically have done, and yet the ewes performed really well. His 8-week weights in his lambs were really good, even though we're doing 300 grams a day right the way through, which on the year was excellent. And a lot of that was down to the fact that the ewes were well fed, in good condition, and the lambs had plenty of milk to go at.
I've always been interested in TMR. I just think it's better for the ewe. Our ewes seemed to be a lot more content in the shed last year. When if you rattled the bucket, there was no bawling, and they were a lot more content in the shed. We had bigger lambs last year through it. So we're hoping that we'll have the same results again this year.
Silages are not quite as high a quality. They're still good, but they're not quite as good. Andy has a bit of a limitation in terms of how much is available. So we're going to look at the options, and we're going to need to sort of try and work our way through and see what we can do with cattle to make sure that there's enough dry matter available. So he'll feed a little bit more supplement, but not a huge amount more.